Look at that. Wow. Hey yo, Sting Squad, welcome to another Thomas Sting Vlogs. Yo guys, it's pretty much day 2 here on my Blenheim trip, and my girlfriend and her parents have surprised me with a little bit of a Marlborough Sounds trip. So I've never been on it before. All I know is it's not a music festival like I thought it was for literally 25 years. So we're gonna go there by boat. Some of the footage obviously is a bit hard with audio, and there's a lot of people there and you're not really supposed to film. So I had to do most of it on my phone. We got up to some pretty cool stuff. Have a look at it here. Oh my god. Is that real? It is. It's not like the bird that we saw at the chocolate factory yesterday. Hey, there's something wrong with you guys' bird. Oop.
Holly wants your mama's sweet ass.
Also, this thing is pretty cool. Look at it. It's made out of metal. And it comes with free cobwebs for the spiders living rent free. Oh, also, isn't this the cutest little truck that you've ever seen? It's like little remote control car wheels on this. By the way, this is like a proper, this isn't like one of the coolest pieces of driftwood I've ever seen. Let's not get too pervy about it, but that is a mermaid made out of wood. There's a tail. There's a, you know.
So these stingrays can live up to about 25 years. These ones are quite small compared to what they can get up to 3 or 4 meters. The weight of this particular species can get up to 300, even 350 kilos. Oh, nice. Now,
Jesus
just
Christ.
picture the All Blacks front row, combined weight, 350 kilos. One of these guys.
That'll do.
Yo. Mate, what are you doing? Attack. No bolt. Oh, snap. Look at that. Wow.
Oh, we got the goodie now.
That is cool. Oh, that's smart, eh? Oh my god. Look at that. Picture that in your pot, Jesus. Do it!
And wants to have a hold too.
Yeah, sure. Oh my god. Ah, that's prickly, eh?
Is it?
That is very prickly. It does. Oh.
So this one's just starting to grow a leg back.
Yeah, I thought I was going to drop it.
These ones can really suck onto your hand, and they'll lose a few tentacles, but they suck from over in here and they propel the
Oh my lord.
Do
I put it?
in the water.
Yes, that's good, eh?
Wow.
And they don't like sudden movement or lots of noise.
Sorry.
Frightens them. Just hold your hand out and stand really still.
Awesome, mate. Thank you.
Thank you.
A bird in the hand is worth twice in the bush.
Typically endangered. These birds can't live in the bush.
Oh! You've got one. Why haven't I got one? Are they racist? Oh my god. GG. It's all over now.
Critically endangered.
Life complete. One after the other. Here's a tasty one. There you are, buddy. Yeah, cool, so that's pretty much it done, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed a little bit of that. I definitely did. Make sure you turn notifications on and subscribe to the YouTube channel that uploads every single day. Don't worry, we'll be back reunited with the boy James, doing some funny skits later on throughout the week, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that, because I know you guys love the skits that we do. That's pretty much just done, guys. See you guys tomorrow. See ya! Bit of cold ground shock, eh? Yeah.